Welcome to the CCLingo Speaking Gym. Do you understand English when you listen, but feel shy or nervous when you try to speak? Do you always translate words in your head before you talk? You are not alone, and this video is exactly what you need. We're going to practice spoken English using one of the most powerful techniques, shadowing. Whether you are returning for day 14 or this is your very first video, you are in the right place. Today is part 14 of our 1,000 most used sentences in the world challenge. We selected these sentences using big data because they are the most frequently used in daily life. The rule is simple. I say it slow, then normal speed. You shadow me loudly. When you repeat after me, your mouth learns how to move. Your brain learns how to think in English faster. Your confidence grows with each sentence. By the end of this video, speaking English will feel much better. It's okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn and grow in our English channel. Ready to build your English muscles? Let's begin. May I see your passport? May I see your passport? Here you go. Here you go. What is the purpose of your visit? What is the purpose of your visit? I am here for tourism. I am here for tourism. How long will you be staying? How long will you be staying? I will stay for 2 weeks. I will stay for 2 weeks. Do you have anything to declare? Do you have anything to declare? No, nothing to declare. No, nothing to declare. Did you pack this bag yourself? Did you pack this bag yourself? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Where is your boarding pass? Where is your boarding pass? It's on my phone. It's on my phone. Is my flight delayed? Is my flight delayed? Yes, by 2 hours. Yes, by 2 hours. Can I change my seat? Can I change my seat? Only if there is an empty one. Only if there is an empty one. My luggage is missing. My luggage is missing. Please fill out this form. Please fill out this form. Is there a shuttle bus? Is there a shuttle bus? Yes, outside the terminal. Yes, outside the terminal. Do you have a reservation? Do you have a reservation? Yes, under the name Jones. Yes, under the name Jones. What time is checkout? What time is checkout? Checkout is at 11 a.m. Checkout is at 11 a.m. Can I leave my bags here? Can I leave my bags here? Yes, we have a storage room. Yes, we have a storage room. The air conditioner is broken. The air conditioner is broken. I'll send someone to fix it. I'll send someone to fix it. Is breakfast included? Is breakfast included? No, it costs extra. No, it costs extra. Can you call me a taxi? Can you call me a taxi? It will be here in 5 minutes. It will be here in 5 minutes. How do I get to the city center? How do I get to the city center? The subway is the fastest way. The subway is the fastest way. Do you have a map? Do you have a map? Yes. Take this one. Yes. Take this one. I lost my wallet. I lost my wallet. You should go to the police. You should go to the police. Can I pay in dollars? Can I pay in dollars? No, local currency only. No, local currency only. Is this the train to London? Is this the train to London? No, you're on the wrong platform. No, you're on the wrong platform. How much is the fare? How much is the fare? It's 10 euros. It's 10 euros. Can I have a wake-up call? Can I have a wake-up call? Sure, at what time? Sure, at what time? Is it safe to walk at night? Is it safe to walk at night? It's better to take a taxi. It's better to take a taxi. Enjoy your stay. Enjoy your stay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Congratulations! You have just completed today's shadowing practice. Give yourself a little pat. You are doing amazing. Showing up every day is how real progress happens, and I am really, really proud of you. Remember, this is more than just an English video. This is your daily speaking gym. Come back every day and practice with me. You are moving from A1 to A2 and soon to B1. And yes, advanced English is absolutely possible for you. Want to remember these sentences forever? Play our free typing game. You can find the link pinned at the very top of the comments section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more. It truly helps us create even more for you. Keep going, keep growing, and keep speaking. I can't wait to see you next time.